So guys, as you can see, this is M7 43-inch Samsung monitor, and it supports all the coding formats of audio. If you can see, Dolby, Atmos, Digital Plus, Digital PCM audio. So I have connected Firestick with this, and along with that, I have also connected my Govo surround sound speaker using a HDMI ARC. So it doesn't have any optical output, but you can connect it using HDMI ARC. So if you want to see the back side of it, that's my wire cave, my home setup. So this is the ARC cable. This one is ARC cable, which is connected to the soundbar, and this is the Firestick, which I am using on HDMI 1. So just in case if you are thinking of using this monitor with Firestick all the time, then you can have an option to connect this with the 5.1 surround sound. So I have tested it and it's working well.